Oh.
And I think it has a lot to do with the medication that I take. But they do tell you not to go out in the sunshine for it to send the kids tired. Don't you do this and don't do that. And one of the dishes that you don't do is put chemicals in your hair.
Thank you. I need a charger. I left my charger. Did you hear me? When I was on the phone? Alright. I left my charger for my phone.
What kind of charger would yours have?
You can buy one at like a cheap place, but I don't know if they have any cheap places around here.
Because yours might be in a spring, it might use John or John.
Because the hole looks like that. Does that look familiar?
That hole's a little bit.
Oh yeah, there's a splatter.
Bigger too. I don't know what John's looks like.
Nice comfy chairs there. Old Navy. Those are the people from the commercial.
Oh, I like people from the commercial. I guess we went to Old Navy in San Antonio. We saw them. Come on. I hate these things. It's going to break off one day.
Look at that pink dress. That's cute. That's cute. Ooh, those are fancy. Yeah. I like those. They got a wedge. Oh, yes. Got the wedge at the bottom, so you be like 5 feet tall. Well, 5 feet more tall. Sorry, 5 foot. There you go. I'm talking about feet.
I like this one. That feels too much.
Hi?
Oh, I used to wear them like this. I used to wear them to work like this.
Really? Fancy.
And I used to work at the one of the said,
oh, look at that. All native.
She was telling several of us, you're going to reach the point where she was telling us to stop wearing those heels shoes. Because she said, you will reach the point where you can't handle those shoes. I can still wear them, but not every day like I used to.
Oh, this is good. Ooh, fancy.
Oh, I like that one.
The green.
But I have nothing to do. I have to go buy clothes to move clothes.
Yeah. I don't know how to match. Like, that's why I just wear black shoes.
Pick a color. If you're wearing something with multicolor, pick a color out of that you want to bring up with that accessory.
I know boys who do that better than I can. Shame.
Oh, this would be cute on your leg.
Ooh. That is fancy. Oh.
I like this. If it were navy blue, they'd have a sale because I need a navy blue clutch. I desperately need a navy blue bag. That's cute.
That one? Yeah.
I got some lime green shoes, but they're smooth. It's like they say, the shoes are down there and the bag's up here.
That's a lot going on there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Right up here. I love Nicole. When they come, actually, I like that one. But I like these better because I like the way these clothes smell and I like the way that one smells.
Oh yeah, that's a big, yeah, that's cute.